This is 9305 Eagle Ridge Drive. The moment you walk in, the light spills in and the space instantly feels welcoming. The kind of entrance where guests pause for a second and say, "Okay, wow." The kitchen is where the day lives. Morning coffee, backpacks, quick breakfasts. At night, it's family dinners that turn into stories, with everyone naturally gathering in the same space. The living area stays connected, so you can cook and still feel part of the moment, hearing the laughter and catching the little things that make a house feel like home. Upstairs, the primary suite is your reset button, quiet, calm, and made for winding down. The other bedrooms become the kids' worlds, falls, giggles, and late-night whispers. Downstairs is the bonus chapter. Movie nights, games, rainy day energy, and space for visiting family. Out back, the covered patio is weekend headquarters. Dinner outside, kids running around, the yard turning into their own stadium. And when you want the fun, Niagara Falls is right there, with Clifton Hill close enough for spontaneous nights out. Then you're back home to quiet streets, where the house fits the family, not the other way around.